Hey everyone, this is Tony with MyRepairApp, and I'm super excited to announce today's latest update. It's a learning management system, an LMS. We're calling it Courses. So to find Courses, go right up here, select that. What's really exciting about this update is Courses is being launched in partnership with iFixit. Now you may have heard of iFixit before. They have one of the world's largest online repair communities, and they have a guide on pretty much how to fix anything. So what I want to do in this video is keep it short and simple and explain to you what Courses is, how it works, and how this is going to benefit you. So first and foremost, I want to talk about the benefits of Courses. This is going to allow you to train your staff on virtually everything, but inside of MyRepairApp without having to rely on third-party websites. So what you can do is it's more than just repairs, right? You can teach your staff on how to do repairs, but also how to do everything else, whether it is inventory management, how to sell product in your store, how to deal with customers when they're in front of you, how to deal with customers over phone calls, how to answer emails, how to do inventory counts, how to handle RMAs, LCD buybacks, etc., etc. Anything and everything in your business that you want your employees to know how to do and follow your steps, this is the way you want to do it. This is going to allow you to truly scale your business. So whether you're working out of your garage, you have a mobile repair shop, or you have one repair shop, or you have 15 repair stores or more, this is going to allow you to scale and allow you to hold your employees to the level of excellence that you hold yourself to. So what's really cool about this is you can take content from all over the world, all over the internet, or you can make your own, or you can use iFixit's, upload it into the system. And what's really great about this is when your employees consume the content, let's say a screen repair, once they do that, then there is going to be a test that will confirm that they've actually not just consumed the content, but they've remembered what they looked at. And so what I'll do, I'll show you kind of how it works, and we'll just go from there. So when you click on Courses, you'll see org courses here. These are courses for your organization, right? So if your store name's here, these are going to be all the courses for this store. My courses, these are courses that you personally signed up for. It'll show you the progress. These are the courses that you enrolled in. Public courses, these are courses that we make and that we make public. Now, what you'll see when you log in today, when you click on this, you're not going to see this beautiful cat, but you are going to see a ton of iPhone screen repair courses. So upon launch today, we'll have a bunch of iFixit iPhone screen repair courses, and this will expand quickly. We will add on other models. This is strategically done because we have partners that we're working with that will want to work with you, and we need to make sure that your techs are certified on these repairs. And that's the thing. With courses, you can certify your technicians. Once they consume the content, they take the courses, they take the tests. If they pass, they get a certificate. So that's public courses. Templates, these are templates that you'll be able to download and use as your own courses, but you can also upload your own. And so you'll see, I'll show you with the creator of the course, you can actually press the template button to make it a template. And so just like our community forums, this is a community courses. You can share your courses with everyone. So if you feel that you have content, you have information, how you run your store that you feel will benefit other locations, other businesses that use MyRepairApp, then you can do so here. So this is going to be an exceptional way for you to train your staff. You're not going to need to use anything else. So where they do their inventory, where they do their ticket intake, this is where your staff will also learn everything you want them to learn. So what you do, click on Create Course over here. And it's pretty straightforward. I'll show you how to make a course here. And you would upload a picture of whatever it is, right? So let's say it's a screen repair or whatnot. So I'm going to just, for the sake of this, I'm going to give this one a title, iPhone 14 Pro Max Screen Repair. This is a guide on how to fix the screen on an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Obviously, you can definitely get a little more creative than I did here. And so you scroll down and you'll see course category. This is where it gets really cool. Hopefully this will get the juices flowing in your brain a little bit. So you have the category management, so something you want your managers to learn, sales practices, right? Repair, merchandising, and displays. This is huge. If you're a store that sells accessories like crazy, or you sell a ton of devices, or you sell a lot of plans, right? Prepaid, you can share your courses here. Customer service, etc., etc., etc. So for this one, just repair. And so if I want to make this for the store, I leave it like that. I'm going to make this public so everyone can see it. Click on Create Course. And so this is the course. I didn't add a picture, so it's just going to default to the company logo here. So what you'll see right down here, you see lessons and assessments. Assessments are going to be the tests. Currently, this is unpublished. If I wanted to publish it and then see which of my employees have enrolled in it, then you'll see that here. I'll show you that in just a second. So going down here, I'm going to start from the bottom going up. So if you want to delete the course for whatever reason, click that. You can take care of that. It'll ask you to confirm. If I want to take this and copy it to my other locations, press this, and I can make it once and then just copy and paste it to all my other locations. If I feel like this is something that I want other stores to benefit from, click on Add to Templates, and it'll be added to templates. Once I'm done, all my edits, all my chapters, all my tests, hit publish. If I want to edit what I just did so far, I can click on this and I can make any changes necessary here. And then add content. So this is the important part. This is where you're actually going to add the content. So we're going to add a chapter first. So this one we're just going to name, we'll just name it exactly what's in the title. And what I'm going to do here is put in the training course from iFixit. Again, you can add anything you want, but I'm going to show you specifically how to do an iFixit guide. So if you find guides on iFixit that you like, this is how you do it. Go to the website, hover over Fix Your Stuff, click on Repair Guides. And so for this one, we're doing an iPhone 14 Pro Max. So we're going to select phone. We're going to go and navigate through here. And scroll down just a tad bit, 14 Pro Max. And so these are all the different repair guides. We're going to select the screen repair. So on the right-hand side here, you'll see a drop-down icon up here. This is where you're going to click, and you're going to select Embed this guide. I'm going to do a full guide and copy embed code. Go back to MyRepairApp, take the embed code, paste it, and there's the guide. We're going to create chapter. So if I want to preview how it looks, this is what it's going to look like. Now, what's really nice about this, we designed this specifically so that it is mobile friendly. So your techs can look at this on their phone, or they can view this on an iPad. It's very, very convenient. So we're going to click on back to course. And so now we can publish this. But before we publish it, we're going to go hit add content, and we can make a test. So if I want my employees not only to watch the video or watch what I taught them, I want them to actually prove to me that they consumed the content and they remembered it. I'm going to add the test title, right? Title of the test, whatever it's going to be in their description, and then minimum passing score. So you can set this. Now, all of the public courses that MyRepairApp is going to publish to make sure that your techs are certified for the upcoming programs that we have, the minimum passing testing score is going to be 80% from us. You can set it at whatever you want. It is going to be a requirement. If you don't want it to be a requirement, you can do that, but I would recommend requirement. Here you add your question, and then you can add the optional answers, and then you can select which one is the actual correct answer. And if you want to add more questions, you can keep on adding more questions. It's as simple as that. All right, so I'm not going to actually be able to create it because I didn't do anything. And then we're going to publish this. Now that it's published, I can see the preview again. I can go back here. Oh, actually, if I click on this, by the way, you guys should see everything. Really, really cool. We're going to go and we're going to enroll in this course. And now that I've enrolled in the course, you'll see my progress. I can see enrollment progress, and I can see all of my stores. So if I have multiple locations, I can see all my locations, and I can see all of the employees that are in all of the stores and where they are at as far as taking the test in these courses. And there you have it. That's how you make a course. We're so excited for this to launch, so definitely check it out and share your best practices with the rest of MyRepairApp users. We're so excited to see what you guys can do.